you use the word whitewash, which is very, very, I think, troubling for me, because I was actually upset last night because, I cannot believe in a million years that we lost to New Zealand 3-0 at home. And even South Africa with these spinners and, the way they are dominating the series is, I cannot put the words because, I cannot understand why Indian batters who have been born and brought up on these pitches cannot play like and don't have the application like the way South Africans did, and the way Bavuma batted in the last match was unbelievable. And I think it is the ecosystem, the policy of grooming test batsmen that is hurting India, because I thought the way Cheteshwar Pujara left a legacy, but we never had anybody filling the boots because we only had the players who were straddling all the three formats. So I think that is the problem, because if you play all three formats, you're superstars, glamorous, you want to hit out. And only few players have got that luxury and the mandate to do that, actually, like maybe Rishabh Pant, because he has won us the games. Only like players like KL Rahul, who's got the pedigree. But I think other players to fill in the blanks, we need specialized test players. And looking at the application also was lacking, because I think the kind of intensity and the kind of importance shown by the Indian batters was troubling for me. And I think that is the job of the coaches to actually sort it out. So I think this is going to be a turning point where if you lose this series 2-0 and we lost against New Zealand 3-0, so this is a wake-up call for us.
Sir, if we talk about India used to be dominating at home, what do you feel is actually lacking behind or stopping them from, why is India struggling on their own turf?
I think the importance given to Test cricket is dwindling by the players also, because they feel that this is a tough job, and the people connected and the traction is much lower. So I think they focus on ODIs and T20s because they are already making a lot of money, and they feel that they have, they can break the shackles whenever they want. But here it is dirty batting, like we should, you're going to just block the ball. And that's why Cheteshwar Pujara is hero in my book, and that's why I thought Sarfaraz Khan, players like him, like Vihari for a bit, and then we had players like, they filled that slot where we just played session to session. And other players who are playing other formats, they actually feel that they are good enough to just break through. And that is what happened, look at the batting today. And look at how even the tail-enders from South Africa, they were 201 for 5, and look at them, the application, And I think in spite of Kuldeep Yadav struggling in the end and showing that, gumption, it was a lesson for our top order batsmen. But now you'll have to too late, because there was a statement that this wicket is like a road, and look at what you did on the road. So now you've given South Africa this big, and they're the test champions in the world. And I think, but it is, they have got, if you compare man to man in the team, they don't have that kind of talent as Indian team has. But it is only the application in Test cricket, If you are willing to just grind yourself and the other team down, that's where you come up.
And you just talked about the tail-enders, sir. One word about Kuldeep Yadav.
I already said, it is because, you are only as good as what the team comes up with. So even his hard work has gone to waste because other people just thought they will break through, but once you have gone for 490 runs, you know that you've got to bat for 6 sessions at least to come up. And I think on this pitch, the way it was turning, and then the spinners also, there were no Muralitharan, no Shane Warne. But it's just the application, the discipline by the South African team. So hats off to them, the way they've applicated.